Hi, welcome to Velo and Ray. Today we're going to take a look at 226R. This is one of our cross-bore floor plans, 555 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look. All of our homes here at Velo and Ray are nice and brightly lit. Here is the bathroom. You have a nice large vanity, big mirror, good lighting. Lots of drawers and storage, one of my favorite floor plans. You do have a tub shower combination. And then you also have a stackable washer and dryer in your restroom area. These are our new front loads. And then as we walk into the home, there is an entryway closet for extra storage. This is always nice. Space for coats, shoes, extra storage. It's right next to the kitchen, so you can also use it as a pantry if you like. Our homes have the lovely granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, porcelain backsplash areas, farm-style kitchen sinks, tons of cabinetry, as well as above and below. This is an open one-bedroom. So here's the bedroom area. You do have the one wall that's a 3/4 wall to the ceiling, so that designates this as an urban one bedroom or an open one bedroom. Your bedroom spaces are all carpeted. You have a huge closet, lots of space for storage. And then there's also a slider door for privacy that you can pull out whenever you wish, or it just tucks back into the wall for space-saving capabilities. And then the living area of the home, nice and bright, huge windows. These open so you get fresh air. Hard surface flooring, vinyl laminate. And then just a little different angle on your living space. Back towards the kitchen and bedroom. Your bath's there on the right. Lots of space in these urban one bedrooms. This one is 555 square feet. Faces here to the west, overlooks Stoneway North. And that is one of our gorgeous homes here at Velo and Ray. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 206-362-9000. Have a great day.